Was that not on? Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me again, Rob, from HobbyVault. For today's video, I'm going to be giving my Honda ZR-Z a car wash. But first, I need to head to the store to grab some items that I'm missing, so I can complete my wash to give you the best results for my car. I got the tire foam, glass cleaner, my quick wet, my quick detailer, interior detailer, waterless wash. These are all the items I'm going to be using to clean the car. I'm going to head home, change my clothes so I can wash the car. First thing we need to do is to rinse with water to remove debris while applying wheel cleaner. Then rinse it again with soap and reapply wheel cleaner if necessary. Next step is to actually lather it with soap. I'm going to be using my foam gun for this. Now the next step is for the soap to soak. I'm going to lather the rims again with the sprayer, and I have to let it sit for about under a minute. Soap is soaking, wheel cleaner is soaking. I'm going to rinse off the car, and the first thing you should rinse off is the wheel cleaner. I have to go back. If we don't remove the wheel cleaner, it gets gunky. Now the next step is actually drying it, which takes the longest process of everything. Try to use as many rags as possible. Don't stay with the same rag too long. Make sure a rag is nice and clean and not dirty. And try to use the fluffy side more. One for each hand. Dry the body, use the rags. Don't touch the body with your fingers. Don't dry the windows, because we're going to be using the glass cleaner for that. It's a different thing. Don't worry about drying it, because we're going to use a whole different rag for that. This is how much water your rags hold in only a few seconds of drying. You can't use the same rag twice. Okay. 2 new rags. Go on in. Next step is for me to clean the windows. I prefer the regular rags, not the fluffy ones. Try to focus on one window at a time because you're going to be drying and cleaning at the same time. Just do one line across and start wiping. Now we got to clean the inside windows. So the next step is going to be the quick detailer. I'm going to be using one of my new rags for this. When you spray this on, you don't have to soak it. All you need is a light mist. I'll demonstrate on the fender so you can understand. All you need is sparkling. So you're going to be missing location. Misting. So light tap and then go crazy. So that's it for the quick detailer. Now you gotta do it again, but with the quick wax. Always remember, 2 rags, one for each side of the car, a third one if necessary. If they start getting a little bit more dirty, switch it out. It's not worth it. Rags are cheaper than mistakes. Mist it on, wipe it. Miss, wipe. One section at a time. This is a wax, so you want to buff it in just a little bit harder, but not too hard. I always do the carbon fiber first. It requires the most attention. Just a quick talk. The next step is cleaning the dash and wiping the windows. We're gonna vacuum the car later. Just get a plastic bag and just pick up everything. We're gonna be using our interior cleaner. It's all purpose, so it doesn't matter if it goes on the windows, glass. I like to separate anything that has to do with a plastic or glass type of feel. I like to use this instead of glass cleaner. Make sure you have it on spray, not stream. Let's see if it smells like banana split. Is that not on? It's better if you remove it to clean it. Really can get in there. First thing you need to do is use the waterless wash on the actual rim. Waterless wash is complete. Now I just gotta hit it with the brake cleaners just to get all this gunk off of it. You don't need a lot, just a good amount. Now you need the tire foam. Use your brush. Just go over it with another rags. Just bunch it up. You're not really wiping, you're just passing it by. You know your job is done. So I'm gonna run the vacuum first. I'm gonna see if it works, and hopefully we can do this podcast. We are 100% done with the car. Everything's been wiped down. That was my process of cleaning the car. I'm not a professional. Please take everything I did with a grain of salt. Do the research. If your car is different from mine, or if I did anything different, it's because it works for me. It may not work for you. So please don't do something in my video without doing the research first. I did everything step by step as much as we could. You saw me rinse, apply the soap, the quick detailer, the quick wax. I did the windows, the rims, the tires, the interior. I vacuumed. I covered as much as I could. If I missed something, it's not bothering me. I covered everything that I could physically see. That should cover everything necessary to wash your car. I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. Subscribe, notification bell, so you can know the next time I drop a video. Drop a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. See you later, Voltron.